huge power bank, guys. Let's review and take a look. Of course, let's unbox. Such a big package and heavy. EcoFlow, charge me now. All right, just a quick start guide. Wow. Oh, heavy. What's this? All right, never mind. I'm sure there are cables and chargers, and don't eat it. All right, let's get rid of the boxing. And this is it. Very well made. Wow, this is so heavy. Really dense. There are two fans for cooling. Press and hold to use AC power. And it's large display. %. Well, this is the first time I ever powered it on. Fast charge, 4 USB, 2 Type-C. Well, look at this. Let me grab my camera. DC on and off. Massive. This is the largest I've ever used so far. Wow, wow. Okay, let's take a look at the accessories first. I have this little mount which allows for very free movement. It's magnetic. Cables. Yeah, I can totally hook this up to my 100-watt solar panel. Great. That's all. I'll probably upload a more detailed review later.